If you've just opened your GCash app and saw that dreadful message saying your account is on hold, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get back to using GCash as quickly as possible. First, the fastest and most reliable way to solve this issue is through the official GCash Help Center. Here's what you need to do. Open your browser and search for GCash Help Center. Make sure you select the official website. Once you're on the page, look for the Chat with GG button. You'll usually find it in the bottom right corner. Click on it to open a live chat window. Now, type in a clear message saying your account is on hold. The GCash bot will guide you through the process and give you a form to fill out. This form is crucial. Enter your correct details carefully, double-check everything, and then submit it. Once submitted, all you need to do is wait. GCash typically resolves account on hold issues within 24 hours. In many cases, users have reported getting their account back even faster. The key takeaway here is that trying to fix this issue on your own, like reinstalling the app, won't help. The live chat through the Help Center is the official and fastest way to get your account reactivated. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more quick and easy GCash solutions. And don't forget to check the description for links to the official Help Center so you can fix your account right away.